Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how to link your PAN card with your Aadhaar card. Linking these two cards is mandatory and failure to do so can lead to a penalty of up to Rs. 1,000. But don't worry, it's a simple process and we'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Income Tax Department website. The first step is to go to the Income Tax Department website at www.incometaxindia5.gov.in. Once you're on the website, you'll see an option to link your Aadhaar card with your PAN card. Step 2. Enter your details. After clicking on the link, you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your details such as your PAN number, Aadhaar number, and your name as mentioned on your Aadhaar card. Make sure to double check your details before submitting the form. Step 3. Generate OTP. Once you've submitted your details, you'll receive an OTP, one-time password, on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the field provided and click on the Link Aadhaar button. Step 4. Confirmation. After clicking on the Link Aadhaar button, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that your PAN card has been linked with your Aadhaar card. Congratulations, you've successfully linked your PAN card with your Aadhaar card. Additional tips. If your name on your Aadhaar card is different from your PAN card, you'll need to update your details first before linking the cards. You can also link your PAN card with your Aadhaar card through SMS. Simply send SMs in the format WID PAN and LT, 12-digit Aadhaar and GT, and LT, 10-digit PAN and GT, to 567,678 Oregon 56161 from your registered mobile number. In case you face any issues while linking your cards, you can contact the Income Tax Department helpline at 1-800-180-1961. In conclusion, linking your PAN card with your Aadhaar card is a simple and easy process that can be completed online in a matter of minutes. It's important to link your cards to avoid any penalties or legal consequences. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process. Thank you for